For checkpoint 2, we are going to build off of the pages that we were using last week. What that means is that you'll find it a lot easier if you go back to last week, retrieve the files you did from the first checkpoint, and bring them to the second checkpoint. And if you're not sure how to do that, there's instructions within the second checkpoint's README file, and there's a tab for it in the first week. So there's going to be 4 parts to this exercise. First, you're going to create a new page named check2.html, and you're going to place a table on it. You're going to go back to the practice page from last week, and you're going to take out the break tags you made the list with, and you're going to replace those with real list tags for an ordered list and a definition list. And you're going to add a link to a style sheet to all of your pages. And then you're going to submit the checkpoint. So again, for the first part, you'll create a new page named check2.html. Make sure you're naming it check2.html so the marker knows what page to look at. To make a new page, you just go new, file, and type in check2.html. On this page, you're going to create a table with 4 rows and 3 columns about your favorite music. The first row should use th tags because it will have headers. These headers can say something like artist, band, singer, anything like that. The second header should say song, album, track, whatever word you prefer. And the third will say year released. Then each row under this should use TD tags, and it will have 1 artist, 1 song from that artist, and what year it came out. You should have 3 different musicians on each row. So when you're finished, it would look something like this, where we have the headers, name of an artist, song year, artist song year, artist song year. So last week on your practice page, you made a list of your favorite movies, and you made a list of the other checkpoints. You're going to take out the break tags, and you're going to make the list of the movies into an ordered list by opening one OL tag at the top and bottom, and surrounding each point of the list with a set of LI tags, like how we did in the example. And then for the list of checkpoints, you're going to create a definition list, which will take a little bit more steps. You're going to open one DL tag at the top and bottom. You're going to surround each of the terms that you want to define, which will be checkpoint 1, checkpoint 2, checkpoint 3 with DT tags. And then under each of these terms, you're going to add the definition using a set of DT tags. And your definitions are going to be lists and tables, links and images, and RefWorks. So that when you have this done, this is an ordered list. Those numbers are put in automatically by the ordered list tags. And this is the definition list, and that indentation is done automatically by the definition list tags. For part 3, all we need you to do for part 3 is to add a link to a style sheet. We don't care what style sheet you use, what the colors are, as long as they're readable. If you want to just add the link to the default style sheet, you can add this link here. We do not require you to create a new style sheet, but if you want to create a new style sheet, feel free to do so. When you're finished, all of your pages should have a background color and a font color. Make sure they're readable. And again, for submission, you don't have to do anything special for the work except for make sure that when you did this work in Replit, you're doing it in the Lab 2 project on Replit Teams. If it's not done in the Lab 2 project, the marker might not be able to find it.